The Congress Party in India has received fresh income tax notice amounting to Rs 1,745 crore for the assessment years 2014-15 to 2016-17. This adds to the existing total notice of Rs 3,567 crore for the assessment year 1994-95 and 2017-18 to 2020-21. The Congress has accused the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party of using the income tax department to financially weaken opposition parties ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The question stands, how far is this aimed at? Hi everybody.
Congress party in fact has got a fresh income tax notice.
Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge criticized the Centre for allegedly misusing institutions like the Income Tax Department, Enforcement Directorate and Central Bureau of Investigation to undermine democracy. Additionally, Kharge mentioned significant penalties imposed by the income tax authorities on Congress for various assessment years. Other opposition parties such as Left Party, CPI and CPIM have also faced similar tax scrutiny. Trinamool Congress leader Saket Gokhale claimed to have received multiple income tax notices within a short period. A pertinent question to the above scenario could be, what legal and procedural justifications does the Income Tax Department provide for issuing these notices? The Income Tax Department typically provides legal and procedural justifications for issuing notices to political parties based on several factors. Number 1 is compliance with tax laws. In India, political parties are required to comply with tax laws, including the Income Tax Act of 1961. According to the Act, political parties are subject to taxation of their income, including donations, contributions, and other funds received. Number 2 is income assessment. The Income Tax Department routinely assesses the income of political parties to ensure accurate tax liability determination. For instance, donations received by political parties are scrutinized to verify their authenticity and compliance with tax regulations. Number 3 is audit and investigation. The Income Tax Department conducts audit and investigation to examine the financial records of political parties. These audits may involve a detailed review of income sources, expenditures, and financial transactions. For example, if discrepancies or inconsistencies are detected in financial statement, the department may initiate further investigation. Number 4 is statutory limitations. Notices issued by the Income Tax Department must adhere to the statutory limitations prescribed by law. Under the Income Tax Act, notices for assessment and recovery of taxes must be issued within a specified time frame, typically within a certain number of years from the end of the relevant assessment year. Number 5 is evidence of non-compliance. Notices are often based on evidence suggesting potential non-compliance with tax laws. For instance, if political parties fail to disclose certain income sources or report inaccurate financial information, they may receive notices prompting further inquiry. Number 6 is transparency and accountability. The issuance of notices promotes transparency and accountability in political funding and expenditures. It ensures that the political parties disclose their financial activities accurately and adhere to the tax regulations, fostering public trust and confidence in the democratic process. Number 7 is prevention of tax evasion. Notices play a crucial role in preventing tax evasion by political parties. By scrutinizing financial records and income sources, the Income Tax Department can identify instances of non-compliance and take appropriate enforcement actions to ensure tax obligations are met. And number 8 is legal precedents. The Income Tax Department justifies its action based on legal precedents, court rulings, and interpretations of tax laws. These legal frameworks provide the basis for issuing notices and conducting audits or investigations in accordance with the established legal principles. Hope you liked the video. Let's unlock together your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the world of business. If you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe for more such content related to business and finance. Till then, goodbye everyone.